always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna try and go for the Jordan 4 Fire Reds. I'm not even gonna lie, I did screen record it, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of react to it and just see what you guys think. If you guys did end up buying them today, let me know in the comments below. Did you even want these? Honestly, these are an iconic pair of sneakers, so I was going for these mandatory. I'm not even pissed that I didn't buy Supreme because I had the chance to go for these. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of the type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the future. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So honestly, I'm recording on my phone, so I can't even really physically show y'all the sneakers process, but I'm gonna slap it right here. I did try to join on Snkrs, but while Snkrs was doing its thing and I was just letting it process or whatever, I pretty much just put all my information in and just hoped for the best. That shit was pending for like 15 minutes. While that was happening, I actually opened up my computer and I'm gonna show y'all what happened on there. So boom, I'm pretty much waiting on foot action to get through the queue to be able to add the sneakers to my cart. This is probably the fastest time that I ever even tried to buy a pair of sneakers. I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking about it. I'm like, yo, DTLR probably has these shits. I go straight on DTLR and I see that they're on there. I go shop Jordan. I click the sneaker ASAP. I see that my size is still there. Add that shit to cart. Waste no time. They trying to get me to sign up. No, never mind that. I'm over here just adding it to my cart. I hop into it and I click the checkout button. Then it asks me to solve a captcha. I'm like, all right, cool. Crosswalks, boom, bang, bing, verify, submit. As soon as that happens, I'm like, bro, I probably got these shits. I'm like, bro, does anybody even want them? Like, what's going on? I know that I want these shits. So I'm on the checkout screen already, bro. I put my email in. Gotta verify that because my address is on there. You bugging? Oh my God. Okay, I put my address in, continue to shopping, shipping, all that. And then I click the continue to payment button and it's calculating my taxes, all the fees and all that stuff. I put my card in. And at this point, I almost have it in my mind that I secured the pair. I'm honestly just waiting for the payment to process. Y'all gonna see what it do. This was actually a fast process, bro. I checked out on the Jordan 4 Fire Reds for retail. Super excited about this pair. This is one of the iconic Jordan 4s. And honestly, if you're a sneakerhead, you need these in your collection. That's why I'm really happy that I was able to get them. I'm hearing that the white cements are gonna re-release next year again, which is crazy. I'm super amped that I was able to get these for retail, honestly. And if y'all know, you already know that Snkrs handed me the L. I'm kind of grateful that they did because I wasn't trying to be broke in my card, but I was already expecting it. That's why I'm like, yo, I'm gonna just enter Snkrs, then hit the foot sites immediately and hope I get them on there. But that's pretty much the whole process for this morning. If y'all enjoyed, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you enjoy these type of videos. Also, let me know if you were able to cook up this morning. Did you even want these shits? I know that the Yeezy 380s released as well, but I honestly wasn't too pressed for those. I'm more pressed about the Yeezy 350s in the bread color. I'm hearing that there's gonna be 500,000 pairs. So literally, bro, if you want them, you can almost buy them shits guaranteed. That pretty much does it for this one. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.